Faulty charger. A faulty charger can sometimes be the cause of a problem. Third-party chargers tend to malfunction more often, so you might have this problem more often. Providing you're still within your 1-year warranty period, you may be able to get it replaced. If not, you'll have to buy a new charger if it isn't the official Apple charger. By using a charger from a friend or family member, you can easily determine if your charger is functioning properly. Liquid damage. There's always that people who like to take their iPad into the bath. If you're having difficulties turning on your iPad, check whether it has been in contact with liquid, as even a small drop can cause damage. Physical damage. It's common for users to drop their iPads, especially they are often used by their children. Unfortunately, iPad does not have infallible internal hardware. Usually, dropping the iPad has two possible outcomes. Either the screen is broken or the motherboard is damaged. Software issues. There may be a problem with your iPad software that prevents it from turning on. An iPad will usually become unresponsive after a failed software update or after you have jailbroken it. Software issues can easily be fixed by yourself, but if you're not familiar with technology, find the easy way in our article below. Part of users keeps complaining my iPad mini won't turn on, but the reason is simply for battery depleted. Similar to the case where your charger malfunctions, your iPad's battery may be fully run out of. So if your iPad mini can't turn on, make sure that it has enough charge. You should spend more time charging your iPad than usual. Connect your device to the power outlet and charge your iPad mini for at least 30 minutes or even overnight if you have to. Sometimes when you thought your iPad mini can't turn on, it's because the tablet screen is too dark. You can open the control center of the iPad and turn up the brightness. How to open the control center? In iOS 12 and later, just swipe down from the top right corner. In iOS 11 and former, you can swipe up from the bottom. If your iPad mini won't turn on or charge, you can try restarting it. This method can be simple yet effective. Step 1. Press and hold the on/off button until you see the red slider and then drag the slider. Step 2. Press and hold the on/off button again until you see the white Apple logo appear on the device to turn it on. If the aforementioned solutions can't solve your problem, you can restore your device with iTunes. Yet it should be noted that restoring the device will erase all the settings, media, and data on your iPad. If you don't care, you can follow the quick steps below. Step 1. Open the iTunes app on your computer. Make sure it's the latest version. Step 2. Connect your iPad mini to the computer and it will be detected by iTunes. Hit your device icon and go to the Summary tab and click on the Restore option. Confirm the action to restore it. TunesKit iOS System Recovery is a professional iOS repair tool that can fix over 150 different iOS system issues including iPad mini won't turn on and respond, iPad stuck in recovery mode, iOS update failure, white screen, red screen, blue screen, iPhone stuck in reboot loop, etc. With the adoption of advanced technology, TunesKit is capable of repairing various system problems without causing any data loss. Besides, this powerful tool can also help you bypass iTunes errors, downgrade iOS to the lower version, and enter/exit the recovery mode in one click, etc. You will be able to fix your problem immediately with the help of our fruitful helping instructions. I believe your iPad has turned back on. The abridged series of options and steps will allow you to solve many issues. Here we highlight TunesKit iOS System Recovery, which not only prevents an iPad from switching on but helps you free from many kinds of iOS troubles. Need some additional prolific fixing tips to solve this issue? Just leave your comment on the comment box.